What if I told you some plants don't just look good? They actually help keep bugs away? No sprays, no chemicals, no weird smells indoors. Just living plants doing what they naturally do best. I've tested many of these in gardens, balconies, and even near windows. Some really work. Some work better when planted in the right spot. Today, I'll share 12 plants you can grow to help keep bugs away using natural scents and oils insects don't like. Let's start. 1. Basil. Basil smells amazing to us. Mosquitoes and flies hate it. The strong oils in the leaves confuse insects. That's why basil works best when you brush past it. Grow it near doors, windows, or outdoor seating areas. Regular pruning makes it even more effective. 2. Mint. Mint is one of the strongest smelling herbs. That scent repels ants, mosquitoes, and flies. It grows fast and spreads easily. Great in pots, not great in open ground. Crush a leaf and smell it. That's exactly why bugs stay away. 3. Lavender. Lavender is a classic bug-repelling plant. Mosquitoes, moths, and flies dislike its fragrance. It prefers sun and good airflow. Humidity with poor drainage can cause problems. Dried lavender still works indoors, especially against moths. 4. Rosemary. Rosemary repels mosquitoes and some beetles. Its woody scent is very effective outdoors. It loves sun and drier soil. Perfect for balconies and patios. Bonus: you can toss rosemary stems onto a grill for extra aroma. 5. Lemongrass. Lemongrass contains citronella, a known mosquito repellent. It's one of the most effective plants on this list. It needs warmth and bright light. In cooler climates, grow it in pots. Place it near seating areas for best results. 6. Citronella geranium. This is the real mosquito plant, not just citronella oil. When you touch the leaves, the scent releases. It works best outdoors with good sunlight. Indoors, the effect is weaker. Keep it where people move past it. 7. Marigold. Marigolds repel aphids, whiteflies, and even some mosquitoes. Their roots also discourage soil pests. They're easy to grow and flower non-stop. Great for balconies and garden borders. The smell is subtle to humans but annoying to bugs. 8. Catnip. Catnip contains nepetalactone. Studies show it can repel mosquitoes even better than DEET in lab conditions. Cats love it, mosquitoes don't. Grow it in containers unless you want it everywhere. 9. Bay laurel. Bay leaves repel pantry pests, flies, and cockroaches. The scent is stronger when leaves are crushed. Grow bay in pots if winters are cold. It's slow growing but long lasting. Dried leaves still help indoors. 10. Garlic. Garlic repels a wide range of insects. Aphids, beetles, and mosquitoes all dislike it. The sulfur compounds are the key. Plant it around other plants for added protection. It's practical and edible. Hard to beat that. 11. Chives. Chives help repel aphids and mites. They also reduce fungal problems nearby. They grow well in pots and small spaces. Great companion plant. Plus, fresh chives are always useful in the kitchen. 12. Nasturtium. Nasturtiums act as a trap plant. They attract pests away from other plants. They also repel whiteflies and squash bugs. Leaves and flowers are edible too. They grow fast and trail beautifully over pots. Extra tips. Bug-repelling plants work best when grouped together. Crushing leaves releases more scent. Place plants near entry points like doors and windows. Healthy plants produce stronger oils. These plants reduce bugs but won't eliminate them completely. If you like natural gardening tips like this, tap the like button. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for simple, honest plant advice. and let me know in the comments. Which bug are you trying to keep away, and which plant are you growing for it? Happy gardening and fewer bugs to you.